In today's video, I will teach you how to open closed eyes in a photo using AI. Let's get started. First, go to Photo or AI Photo Editor using your preferred browser. And in the editor, you'll see an upload area on the main page. And here, you can either drag and drop your image file into the editor, or click the upload button and browse your computer for the image that you want to fix. And make sure to choose an image where the subject's face is clearly visible and mostly facing forward for the best results. And once your image loads, look at the left sidebar and click on the Beauty tab. Then scroll down to the AI Smart Tools section and select Open Eyes. This tool analyzes the subject's face and digitally opens closed eyelids using AI facial synthesis. It can also enhance already opened eyes by making them look more alert or symmetrical. Now we're going to choose the eye correction level. After the tool runs, you'll see 3 enhancement options: Standard, which is subtle and natural; Medium, which is slightly more defined; and Max, which is the boldest change with noticeable wide-eyed effect. Now click each option to preview it in real time. If both eyes are closed in the original image, Max may offer a more complete correction. For just slightly squinting eyes, Standard may be enough. And once you're happy with the selected effect, click Apply to save the enhancement. Then use the Compare button to view the original image side by side with the edited version. Then click the Download button at the top right and choose your preferred file format and resolution. Then save the final image to your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.